The Hunter and the Doves. In a peaceful village not far away, there stood a mighty banyan tree, its branches stretching wide like welcoming arms. Birds of all feathers made their nests there, chirping, cooing, and gossiping about worm recipes. Beneath the tree, travelers often took shelter, resting in its cool shade. But one day a hunter appeared, eyeing the tree like it was a feathered buffet. He set up a trap with grain sprinkled all around. A clever crow, watching from a distance, sensed danger and flew off to warn the other birds. Sadly, a flock of doves didn't get the memo. Tempted by the grains, they swooped down and snap! They were caught in the net. Panic set in, wings flapped wildly, but the lead dove, the wisest among them, called out, "Calm down, friends. If we work together, we can break free. Let's all flap at the same time." They did just that, flapping in perfect harmony until the net ripped open. One dove flew away in search of help and soon returned with a troop of mice. The mice gnawed through the net like it was cheese, and the dove soared into the sky once more. Moral of the story: teamwork makes the dream work. Even a net of problems can be torn apart when we stick together.